Right now, you're watching giant Jenga bridge standing on just two blocks. This is similar to London Bridge. If you have not seen the London Bridge, just Google it. It is very similar to the London Bridge. Stay tuned. I will show you how to make step by step Jenga bridge. I am Payazee, your brain challenging game buddy. You are in the right place for your brain exercise and solve the puzzle riddles along with me. Hit the red subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss my new video. So let's start with the Jenga bridge. Give me 5 blocks. 1, okay, 3. Let's put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1 here. Okay, put one there. Put one behind. Okay. Yeah, good. Now balance it. Put the balance properly. Okay. Try to balance it, okay? Easy, slowly. You have to balance it very slowly. Wait. Now let me do this. It from down and then put. We have to move this one back. Let's repeat this again. Here we will make a strong bridge so it doesn't fall. Okay, now put one block here. Okay. We have to be very careful. Give it from side so it doesn't fall. Understood? This is done. Let's put our make a bridge. Make it from there. Put it on top. Ta-da! Our bridge is completed. Let's remove this one now. We don't need this. It will stand on just two pillars. It is standing on just two pillars. Very nice. Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it.
I poke him.
Yeah, it's only on 2 pillar. Very nice.
Then this also standing. This sitting.
So finally bridge is ready. It's only on the 2 pillar of Jenga. Okay. Now let's break the bridge. 1, 2, 3. Very nice.